Hello everyone. I'd like to say welcome back, but it's not that sort of video this time. This is just a temporary video put up because you're not going to be seeing many of my videos for the next, well, probably 3 or 4 weeks. Mainly because I've had urgent eye operation, as you can see with the patch over my glasses here, which means I can't see out of that eye, and to try and do any sort of video is going to be pretty much impossible at the moment. I can't even focus on things. So the short answer to this whole issue is I won't be around for 3 to 4 weeks. You'll know when I am, because this video will be taken down and a proper video put back in its place. That was the short answer. If you want to know the actual details, keep listening. But otherwise, thanks for watching. See you in a few weeks. Oh, you're still there. Okay, well, the longer answer is this. Obviously, I wear glasses, therefore I'm quite short-sighted. And short-sighted people have a potential problem with their eyes. And what happened about 6 weeks ago is that I noticed there was a sudden increase in this eye of what they call floaters, bits floating about in the eye, you know, black blobs, strings, whatever, and what I called jellyfish, blobs of jelly that just went across my vision. And it's like you got something in the eye, you know, a bit of sleep or something, you're trying to blink it away, but it's inside the eye. Anyway, there was a fairly urgent appointment at the hospital. They looked at it and they go, aha, what's happened is the jelly inside your eye, the vitreous as they call it, is starting to contract due to your extreme old age. Well, they didn't actually say those words, but that's what they meant. And the jelly is now pulling away from the retina at the back of the eye. And we have to be very careful that as it pulls away, it doesn't tear the retina. So at that time they go, we can't detect any tear, but we want to see you again in 6 weeks, which was in fact Friday, the 9th of November 2018. At which point they go, oh, that's a bit of a problem now. You have got a tear. And so the back of my eye, I think it was the top of the eye at the back, it was torn because the jelly had pulled away, and fluid that was taking the place of the shrinking jelly has now got in through that tear and was gradually working its way down the back of the retina, peeling it away from the back of my eye like wallpaper, damp wallpaper from a wall. Yeah, I know, it sounds absolutely horrendous, doesn't it? So anyway, they rushed me into Oxford Eye Clinic at the Radcliffe Hospital there and performed surgery on here. They stuck needles in my eye and, well, they did numb it first. Sucked out all the jelly, the vitreous stuff, replaced it with saline, lasered the retina back to the back of the eye. I then had to stay in a lying position on my right side for 5 days and nights. Can you imagine that? Not moving too much. I had 10 minutes respite every hour, and that was it. Pretty horrendous, because I'm lying on this side, and this is my good eye here. This eye tended to be sort of buried in the pillow anyway, so I couldn't watch TV or anything. It was awful. Anyway, so today's the first day that I'm allowed to sit up now for 5 days and you know, watch TV or read. But I've got to be in this position, looking pretty much straight ahead, not tilting my head too much, and certainly not on this side, and not looking down, and especially not up, because as well as all that other stuff they put in my eye, they put a gas bubble in there under pressure, so that the gas bubble pushes against that part of the retina that has detached itself, so it acts as a splint against the retina, right? So that's why I had to lie down for 5 days to make sure the air bubble was pushing against that part of the retina. Now I can sit up, it's obviously pushing against a different part. I don't know the medical details to that extent. I just know that's the general purpose of it all. I've got an eye appointment follow-up tomorrow. That's exactly a week after my operation. Hopefully they're going to say, yes, everything's fine, because although this works for about 80% of cases, the other 20% have to go back and have the laser surgery done again. Just the thought, I tell you. But assuming it goes ahead, then after 10 days, I can move around again gently, not lifting stuff, not bending down shoelaces and things like that. And hopefully, in due course, do some more videos. But the trouble is, I can't actually see out this eye. It's just a vague blur. I can detect light and dark, but that's about it. So I can't actually judge distances, which means I can't really drive, or I don't feel confident driving. I haven't tried it yet, but I certainly wouldn't want to. And so doing any kind of work is going to be difficult, whether that's at home or in my day job. So we'll just see how it goes, I think, going forward. But you won't be getting any videos from me, well, at least until the end of November. Could be longer than that. So this is all a FYI, really, why I'm not around and why I'm not answering any comments anymore on the videos. I'm not answering any emails. I just hope the people who have posted anything in the last week see this video and realise that's the reason why. Okay, but fingers crossed, thumbs up. Let's hope this all clears up and I get the go-ahead tomorrow to say things are looking good. And who knows, we'll be back in business well before Christmas. We hope. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.